guys, it's Mari and I'm here with you live today. I'm going to do a really quick flip through of my December album. It's all finished and I just want to share the rest of the album with you and wrap this project up for 2017. So this is my album. I used the Clarke album this year. I just put a little label there with 2017 on it and I finished up my cover. I just took a little bit of Stampin' Up! Ribbon from my stash and tied that on the side, and I put few of the die cuts and one of the stickers from the Crepe Paper Fa La La collection on the front, and then a little button to embellish the cover, and that's it. Just really simple, very basic. It took me very little time to finish this up. It's really simple, but it's done. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through. Like I said, you can see that I had two different sets of the die cuts from the collection. I used one of the gold glitter Fa La La on the front and then another on my opening page in the year. And you may have watched me create some of these pages. I'm not going to talk a whole lot about what I did. I'm just going to do a really quick flip through here and share the album with you. You can see that there's definitely some interactive pages here, but not as many as I usually do. I definitely didn't spend as much time on this project this year as I might have other years, but I did finish it. I'm really happy about that. It is completely documented. The month is here, it's finished, and that is what makes me really super happy. So all kinds of little bits and pieces of the month have been documented here. I've got a little bit of journaling on the back of that pull-out card there, and just gonna flip through. I have completed all of the journaling this year. Some years I'll leave journaling to after the project is done, just to go back and fill in. This year, all of the journaling is finished. The only thing that I have left to put in here is one recipe, and that will not take me long to do. So I'm really happy with that. I'm glad that it's all completed and that the journaling was completed as I went along. See, I lost a little letter P here. I have to re-glue that in. And there is a recipe that needs to go in here still. You can see all of the different spreads that have the companion journaling there for each one of the different layouts. This one has a little flip page there. And the reason why I put this one in here just is because this little pocket protects the photograph, and it's really easy to stick that into on an insert like that. And then on this side I've got another flip page or picture, and then journaling underneath of that one, and then more journaling here. I've got the flip bun here and then some journaling behind here as well as on this page. So I did quite a bit of storytelling in this album, which is good. This is where I left off, I think, with my last process video. These are additional pages that I created since then. So just documenting here, it's using the Snapchat filter at Christmas. This is when Paul came home and she opened her gifts with us, and we had New Year's Eve with her. And this is just us playing Telestrations, and then just a little wrap-up page here. So just a little picture of us on Christmas Day and a little glance at where we've been this year and where we're going for 2018. And that is it. So I really am glad that this project is finished. I did enjoy it. I didn't spend as much time on it as I usually have other years, but I'm still happy with the result, and the month of December is documented here. So I'm glad that that is done. Now I am going to be doing a giveaway here in the next couple of weeks or so, so watch for that on my channel. I'm very, very close to reaching 5,000 subscribers. And I can't even begin to tell you how grateful I am for that. I guess in reality, what it is to me is just really, really fun. And I think that it's just really neat that that I've got 5,000 people that find it interesting to stop by my channel every once in a while, and I think that's super cool. And I do want to let you know that I do absolutely appreciate every one of your views and your comments and your thumbs up and the interaction here on YouTube. I really do appreciate it. And I have some goals for 2018, definitely for my channel. I will be continuing with Scrapbook Nerd and with Just Nick, and Kelly Barron and I will be continuing with our Scrap the Challenge series. I would really like to do some more art type things on my channel this year. I didn't do very much art journaling at all in 2017, and leave me a comment if that's something that you'd like to see more of. You know, I really love doing art projects, and I just haven't had as much time this year to do that. And I also would like to do more card making videos on my channel as well. So leave me a comment below of what you've seen on my channel in the past that you would like to see more of, or ideas that you have for my channel for 2018. I would just really love to hear your comments and find out what you think. And please, like I said, stay tuned for a giveaway coming up during the month of January on my channel. And so I will be doing that, so watch for that as well. So thanks again so much, guys. Thanks for all of your support during my Documenting December videos. I really appreciate that, and I hope you were inspired by my album. I hope that it, you know, you got some ideas for documenting your December, or if you've never done this project before, maybe it inspired you to try this. It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be very, very simple. You can see that I did not document every day in December. I picked the highlights of the month, and because I don't have small children at home, I don't have any children at home, as a matter of fact. It's just my husband and I, and this is just, you know, finding ways to document my family and the things that we do during the month of December. And so this is one take on that. And like I said, I hope you were inspired. I hope it gave you some ideas about how you could be collecting your memories in a way that your family can look back on them in the future and say, oh yeah, I remember that, or you know, remember when, and so on and so forth. It's just a good way to share. So thanks so much for stopping by my channel today, and like I said, I really appreciate the continued support. Bye-bye.